Okay, hi guys. Today I'm making a bubble bar today, and I'm using products from Lush. The comforter, it's a shower cream, and I have also some argan body conditioner, some glycerine, cream of tartar, and baking soda. So this is my new adventure. I figure I have this comforter. I'm never going to use it. It's going to expire in November, and I better figure out something to use it for. So I thought, well, why don't I make bubble bar with a Lush bubble bar with Lush comforter. So that is what I'm going to do. Oh, and I will leave the measurements for this in, where should I leave it? Probably in the video or below in the comments, either place. And also, if you want to make this at home, you can get glycerine from a drugstore. You can get cream of tartar from a place that sells baking product like flour and stuff like that. You can get baking soda, I'm sure, from Walmart, Costco, either of those places. If you're in the US, I'm sure you can get cream of tartar from Walmart. It comes in smaller package. Because I'm a soap maker, I'm a bath and body maker, I buy from suppliers in bigger bulk. So I have and if you have a bigger bottle of bubble bar would be better, because you might need, I'm sure I'm gonna need more bubble wash. I have cocamidopropane Ventolin, and I'm going to be using some of that with this. But if you don't have that, you can use any body wash product, anything that's a bubble bath, any bubble bath product you can use and mix it with this. And this smells like rose jam. Yeah, so it's going to be all an experiment. Come along with me for the ride, and I will bring you back. Okay, I'm adding my baking soda. I'm gonna add half of it for now, and leave some if I need it. And half of the cream of tartar, or all of the cream of tartar, most of the cream of tartar, add all of that. And so I'm using the comforter. If you have another body wash from Lush, you can use that. You can definitely use that. And I'm going to pour the body wash. Let me just mix this up. I have to cover this up and mix it up. I'll bring you back. Okay, I poured out the comforter, the body shower cream, and I'm gonna add it to my dry ingredients, but I'm also gonna add a quarter of a cup of tapioca starch, just to give the bubble bar a nice silky feel to the tub. And oh, I forgot to add my glycerine in here. I'm supposed to add the glycerine. Okay. I forgot much. I forget much. Okay, so I'm adding the body conditioner, which is the rose jam scent, because I want to change the scent up. It's not the scent that I like at all, this comforter thing. Don't like the scent, and I'm just gonna blend that in. Alright, at this point it's like at packing consistency, but it's still breakable, so I have a little bit of the comforter left over. I'm gonna add some more because I would like to pack it into these molds here, so like a popsicle mold. And I would like to do 2 different colors. I have water soluble colors, and if you have Wilton food coloring, you can use it to color your just a tiny bit, nothing too much of it. And again, like I said, you can use any of the Lush bubble. Better to use their bubble bath shower cream, because those seems to have more bubbles in it. And you can use any mold. I want to make a popsicle. I'm in a popsicle stick mood, and I'm thinking of making a flower. Pack it in a flour, but I have to do it in a dough consistency so I can roll it. Okay, so I added all of the body cream / wash, and now it is way too soft. So what I'm going to do here is add some more baking soda and a little bit of cream of tartar to balance out the baking soda, because I want it to a dough-like consistency where I can knead it like it's like you're making bread or something like that. So I'll bring you back when I'm finished. Alright, so I did need my bubble bar dough, and I had to add like I think I added about a cup more baking soda, and if it's humid it will dry out depending on how much cream of tartar you put in there. So what I'm going to do is pack this, because I want this to be more of a dough-like consistency. It's not quite there yet, because I need it for, I'm going to color it, actually divide it, color it, and then I'm going to pack it in the mold here with my popsicle stick. I might be able to show you, I might not, we'll see. Okay, so I have I divided it for this color here. You see that nice grapey color? And I'm going to mix it. I'm doing 2 colors, and this is my popsicle stick. So what I do is, I wonder if I should put the pink and put the purple at the top. Maybe I could do some purple and some pink. And all you do is put it in your mold, whatever mold you're using, and push it down really tight. And I use a bottle, not that one. Pack it in for me. Really nice and tight. It's jumping all over the place. And I put the next color in there. The next color is going to be at the top. Push it in. not quite in there. Press it down real hard. And when I press it down, it's like, okay. It's kind of messy, isn't it? Okay, and I stick the popsicle stick right down in there. So when it goes in the fridge and hardens up, I can pull it right out. Okay, I rolled out a piece of the bubble bar dough, and this to me is the fun part, because I would like a rose. This is a rose? No, flower, sorry. And all you do is stick it in there. And I can't do this on camera. I'll have to unmold it off camera. But as you can see, that's all you do. You can roll out your oats. That's pretty soft. I'm going to smooth that down. I'm going to put a little bit of baking soda and smooth that down and bring you back when I unmold it. Okay, so I've unmolded my flour and it's fairly soft. It should be a little bit more stiff. It's activating, so that tells me it's quite warm in here. Yesterday was the perfect day to make it because it was cold. Anyways, that's my flour. I'm gonna stick it in the fridge to harden up. Alright, here's some of the bubble bar dust that I have left. Let's see if this does bubbles. So yay, here's some bubbles. There's some bubbles. Not bad for a homemade Lush product.